Why some cars are so expensive. Every time a hypercar flashes across the screen or a luxury SUV passes you on the road, the same question crosses many people's minds. Why does that car cost so much? Is it really worth hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars? What makes one vehicle just transportation and another a status symbol, an investment, or a piece of art? Today, we're unpacking the real reasons why some cars are so expensive, and the answers go far beyond horsepower or leather seats. Let's begin with what most people expect: performance. High-end cars often deliver extraordinary engineering. Advanced powertrains, carbon fiber construction, adaptive suspensions, active aerodynamics. These aren't just features. They're systems built from scratch to deliver precision at the edge of physics. Take a Bugatti Chiron, for example. It's not just a fast car. It's a hand-assembled machine capable of 0-60 in under 2.5 seconds, with a W16 engine producing nearly 1,500 horsepower. That kind of performance requires innovation, rare materials, and manufacturing. That's as much art as it is science. But the price tag isn't just about what's under the hood. Craftsmanship is a huge part of the cost. In ultra-luxury vehicles, every detail is hand-finished. Seats are stitched by artisans. Interior wood panels are cut from single trees for grain consistency. Controls feel perfectly weighted because engineers tested them 100 times. This is slow, expensive work. Not because it has to be, because perfection is the goal. Then there's exclusivity. When a car brand decides to only produce 100 units of a special model, that scarcity drives the price higher. You're not just buying a car. You're buying access to a club, to a lifestyle, to something very few others will ever own. Brands like Ferrari, Rolls-Royce, and Pagani know that price isn't just about what something costs to make. It's about what people are willing to pay to feel unique. And we can't ignore branding and legacy. Some car companies have spent decades building their reputation. When you buy a Lamborghini, you're not just paying for a V10 engine, you're paying for decades of racing heritage, Italian design, and the emotion people attach to the brand. That emotion is powerful. It's what turns a car into a dream. But the real reason some cars are so expensive isn't found in a factory. It's found in us. We attach meaning to the things we own. Cars become expressions of identity. For some, a luxury car says, "I made it." For others, a rare supercar says, "I don't follow the crowd." These vehicles are tools, yes, but they're also statements. And those statements carry value that can't always be measured in specs or stats. So, is it rational to spend $300,000 on a car? Maybe not. But value is never just about logic. It's about emotion, about timing, about personal meaning. And sometimes, the decision to own something extraordinary isn't about showing off. It's about honoring a journey that most people didn't see. A journey that took discipline, sacrifice, and the courage to keep moving forward alone. If you want a video on an interesting topic, let me know in the comments and I will make the next video for you.